If you're over 60 and your knees, hips, or fingers ache every morning, you're not alone. Joint pain isn't just part of aging, it's your body's way of asking for help. Over time, the soft cushion inside your joints, called cartilage, starts to wear away. But what makes it worse isn't just age. It's hidden inflammation caused by our daily habits and foods. Inflammation is like a silent fire burning inside your body. You can't see it, but you feel it, in your knees, your back, your fingers. It quietly damages your joints day after day. The number one hidden cause of chronic joint pain after 60 is inflammation. And the food you eat every day might be the biggest trigger. Let's start with the first hidden enemy, sugar. Foods like white bread, sweet tea, and breakfast cereals quickly turn into sugar inside your body, causing inflammation that eats away at your joint tissue. That morning toast or jam might actually be feeding the pain in your knees. The second hidden enemy is fried and processed foods. They're made with oils like corn, soy, and sunflower, all high in omega-6 fats. These fats act like fuel to the inflammation fire, especially when you're not getting enough omega-3s to balance them out. The third hidden enemy is processed meat, like sausages, hot dogs, and deli slices. They contain preservatives and chemicals that trigger inflammation and speed up joint damage. But when you replace them with natural proteins, like fish, eggs, or chicken cooked in olive oil, you give your joints the strength to heal. Now, here's the good news. You can reverse inflammation naturally with healing foods. Start adding fatty fish like salmon or sardines for omega-3s. Eat leafy greens like spinach and kale for antioxidants. Enjoy berries for vitamin C. And use turmeric, nature's golden spice, to reduce pain and swelling. If you make these small changes part of your daily routine, you'll notice less stiffness, smoother movement, and a big boost in comfort, naturally, without relying on painkillers. These simple foods and habits work together like a natural repair kit for your joints. Start today. Your body will thank you for it. Stop joint pain naturally, live active, and stay strong.